Hi everyone, welcome back to another Chatguns video. Today we are doing an unboxing of a small but super useful gadget for HF and shortwave radio enthusiasts. The MC-38UNF to PL-259 antenna adapter. Let's see what's inside. Here's the box, pretty compact. Inside we have the adapter neatly packaged. It feels solid, made of metal, and the finish looks really clean. Let's take a closer look. On one side we have the threaded end with 3S24 or M10 wave antennas. On the other side we have the PL-259 connector, which is what most HF rigs in months use. It's small, lightweight, and seems very portable. This adapter is great if you want to connect a threaded wave antenna to a PL-259 mount. Perfect for portable operations, vehicle installs, or just experimenting with different setups without needing multiple cables or adapters. Screw the threaded end into your antenna and plug the PL-259 set into your coax. With snugly, no wobbling. That's it, super simple, no tools required. So, that's the Chatguns MC-38UNF 2PH259 adapter. Tiny, simple, but extremely handy for anyone using wave antennas and PL-259 connection. If you like this unboxing, subscribe for more HF gear reviews. I'll see you in next one. 73.